Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Zaffiero here to talk to you about subtracting three-digit numbers. So I have this problem in front of me, 651 minus 429. Just like we did when we subtracted two-digit numbers, we can use the regrouping strategy to help us. With the regrouping strategy, we start in the ones place. I look at my ones digits. I have a 1 minus 9. Remember, we cannot flip these digits around. You cannot do 9 minus 1. The 1 is at the top, so we have to try to do 1, take away 9. Now, we know if we have 1, we can't take away 9. So we need to regroup from the tens place. So I'm going to go over to my 5 and follow my regrouping rule. I'm going to cross out the 5. I'm going to take away 1, make that a 4. And then I'm going to go back to my ones place and add a 10. Cross out the 1. I know 10 plus 1 is 11. So now in my ones place I have 11 minus 9, which I know I can do. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Now I'm going to go to my tens place. I have a 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is a doubles fact. Know it equals 2. Then I'm going to look to my hundreds place. I have a 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, also 2. So my difference, my answer, is 222. Let's try another one. Now I have 836 minus 592. I'm going to use the regrouping strategy again. I know to start in the ones place. Here I have 6 minus 2. I can do 6 minus 2. I do not need to regroup here. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now I go to my tens place. 3 minus 9. Well, if I have 3, I can't take away 9. Don't just flip those numbers around. We have to regroup. I'm going to go over to my hundreds place to help me regroup so that I can solve in my tens place. I'm going to take away 1 from the 8, regroup it, add 10 to this 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So now I have 13 minus 9. I know that 13 minus 9 is 4. Now I can go to my hundreds place. I have 7 minus 5, which is 2. So my difference is 244. I did not need to regroup in my ones place, but I did have to regroup when I got to my tens place. So I used the hundreds place to help me. Let's try one more. This one is very tricky. Again, we're going to start in our ones place. I have 2 minus 5. I can't do 2 minus 5. So I need to regroup. So I'm going to go to my tens place. But, oh no, in my tens place, I have a 0. Well, I can't take away 1 from a 0 to regroup it to the ones, so I'm going to teach you a trick. Instead of thinking of this as a 0 and the hundreds digit as a 9, think of the hundreds place and the tens place together as a 90. Cross out the whole 90, then take away the 1. So 90 minus 1 is 89. So I'm going to write the 8 above the 9 in the hundreds place and a 9 above the 0 in the tens place. Now I can add 10 to my 2 and regroup it so that I have 12 minus 5. I know that 12 minus 5 is 7. Now when I go to my tens place, I have 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now I go to my hundreds place, and I have an 8 minus 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So my difference is 257. Use my trick when you have a 0 in the tens place. Think of that hundreds digit and the tens digit together as one number to help you regroup. I hope that helps. Now it's your turn to do some practice.